I went shopping today. I went shopping today. I went to the clothing store. I went to the clothing store. The store looks big. The store looks big. There are many clothes inside. There are many clothes inside. I see a shoe shop nearby. I see a shoe shop nearby. I enter the shop. I enter the shop. The shop assistant greets me. The shop assistant greets me. The shop is bright and clean. The shop is bright and clean. I look around the store. I look around the store. I see many people shopping. I see many people shopping. I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart. I walk to the clothes section. I walk to the clothes section. I want to buy a red top. I want to buy a red top. I want to buy red shoes. I want to buy red shoes. I look for the women's section. I look for the women's section. I look for the men's section. I look for the men's section. I see some shirts on the shelf. I see some shirts on the shelf. The clothes look beautiful. The clothes look beautiful. I start to choose some items. I start to choose some items. I pick up a blue shirt. I pick up a blue shirt. I like the color. I like the color. The fabric feels soft. The fabric feels soft. I choose a red dress. I choose a red dress. The dress looks nice. The dress looks nice. I want to try that one. I want to try that one. I take a pair of jeans. I take a pair of jeans. The jeans look trendy. The jeans look trendy. I find a t-shirt. I find a t-shirt. The t-shirt is simple. The t-shirt is simple. I want to buy some casual clothes. I want to buy some casual clothes. I see some jackets on sale. I see some jackets on sale. The jacket looks warm. The jacket looks warm. I like the black one. I like the black one. I checked the price tag. I checked the price tag. I want to buy something comfortable. I want to buy something comfortable. What's the size of this shirt? What is the size of this shirt? I wear size medium. I wear size medium. I pick up a pair of shoes. I pick up a pair of shoes. The color is beautiful. The color is beautiful. I want to ask for the price. I want to ask for the price. What size is this shirt? What size is this shirt? Do you have this in size large? Do you have this in size large? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? This size is too big for me. This size is too big for me. I want to check the size chart. I want to check the size chart. Can you help me find my size? Can you help me find my size? Can I try this one? Can I try this one? Where is the try room? Where is the try room? The try room is over there. The try room is over there. This shirt fits me well. This shirt fits me well. I go to the cashier. I go to the cashier. Can I pay by cash? Can I pay by cash? The cashier scans the barcode. The cashier scans the barcode. I get my bill and thank them. I get my bill and thank them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.